Hi guys, welcome back to today's class. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. So let's begin with this class. So the topic of this week, it's gonna be adjectives of personality and appearance. Okay, it's how we describe people, how do people look and how do people behave of art. So these are attributes of personality. We have the shy one. Shy is when you are when you don't like things new, you are like shy. Intelligent, polite, when you are kind with other people. Generous, hardworking, outgoing. Generous is when you like to share things with people. Hardworking is when you work, you do the best. You do the best. And outgoing, it's crazy. People that are crazy. Okay. These are another aspects of personality. We have the lazy. Lazy is when you don't want to do anything. The tidy, then you organize everything. The rude people are the ones that pick on you, that are the bully ones are rude. Brave, when you don't have fear of anything, when you are brave. Aggressive, because when people are aggressive, they hit you. They are always angry. Quiet, quiet. Sensitive, when things make you cry. For example, a movie about a dog, and that make you cry. Messy, when you don't are clean at all. When you leave your clothes on the floor, you don't care. You put your shoes on the living room. You all around the house. With a coward, this is the opposite of brave. Coward is that no, I'm not going to do that. The silly is when you are dummy, like Patricia. Silly. Peaceful, when you are not angry, when you are peaceful. And affectionate is when you like to hug, you care, you like the physical contact, you like to be friendly, stuff like that. And the other hand, we have the appearance adjectives. These are about the weight, the height, the age, the body, and the appearance. Okay? So for example, the height it will be big, but big will be big of large with your tummy. You have a big tummy, you are big. Small is that you are small, like this. Big, small. Okay. We have short and tall. Short and tall. This all you already know it then. We also have the age. The age are like old, like your grandparents, middle age, like your mom and dad, and young, like you. You're young, you're kids. We have the body also. The body, we have people that are slim or thin. We have muscular ones with the muscle, and people that are chubby or fat. You can also say chubby or fat, but chubby it's more nicely. So that are the types of body. But it's important that you know that everybody has a different kind of body, and there is no perfect one. Okay, you always need to love your body no matter how you are. And appearance, this the way that you look. For example, you can look pretty like the princess, handsome like me. It doesn't it's not true. You can be handsome like the prince, cute like a little dog, like a little cat, attractive like, I don't know who can be attractive. Somebody may be attractive for you. Funny like your teacher. I'm funny. Elegant like the Griot Kriki. Beautiful or gorgeous like all the women that are beautiful and gorgeous. And ugly like all the villains in Disney that are ugly. Okay, that will be all. So, that are all the adjectives that we are going to see today. This video is for you to get familiarized with the adjectives. So tomorrow we're going to see them more deeply, and we're going to practice describing people and describing maybe between us and stuff like that. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow and have a nice day.